better hurry, Moby. We don't want to miss the bus. What is transportation? Transportation is the way you get from one place to another. People use different forms of transportation to get from place to place. People also depend on transportation to help them do their jobs. Firefighters use fire engines, emergency workers use ambulances, and letter carriers use mail trucks. Goods are things that are made or grown. Trucks carry goods throughout the country and bring goods to our communities. Some vehicles are used to transport or move things and carry out special jobs. What kinds of transportation travel over land? We need to ride the school bus to get home, but some kids take cars or ride bikes, and other kids walk. We can take buses to get around the community or to travel far away. Trains are a kind of transportation that move along railroad tracks. People travel by rail to get to different communities or countries. And trains are often used to transport goods over long distances. A subway is a train that transports people around a city. Some subways are underground, and others are above ground. Motorcycles and scooters are also forms of transportation that travel on land. What kinds of transportation travel through the air? Airplanes are a form of transportation that flies through the air. We take airplanes to travel and ship goods to places that are far away. You couldn't take a car all the way around the world, but you could take a plane. A helicopter also travels through the air. They're used to travel shorter distances. They're also used to help put out fires in places that are hard to get to, and for safety and rescues. What kinds of transportation travel through water? A boat is a form of transportation that travels through water. Some boats have engines, and others do not. Sailboats rely on the wind to move. A ship is a large boat. People can take ships across the oceans or use them to ship goods. Tankers transport oil and fuel to places all over the world. How has transportation changed? Hundreds of years ago, people traveled and transported goods with the help of animals. It could take months to travel across the country. After the steam engine was developed in the 1700s, people could travel faster and more easily with locomotives. Then, in the very late 1800s, gas-powered automobiles were invented, and people began using them for transportation. Today, some cars are powered by electricity, and many run on both gas and electricity. Some cars even run on biodiesel, which can be made from vegetable oil. For hundreds of years, people were developing ways to fly. Finally, in 1903, the Wright brothers made the first controlled and powered flight. Now, there are space shuttles that can travel beyond Earth's atmosphere. Right, Moby. Over time, transportation has gotten faster and easier because of changes in technology. You can think of another form of transportation. What's that? Moby, wait! Take me with you!